MyPie Educational Services.
Hi learners, welcome again to another episode of learning. Hi, I'm Mr. Salam, your mathematics tutor. In our last video, we talked about adding and subtracting proper fraction. In today's class, we'll be talking about adding and subtracting mixed number. So we have addition, and subtraction, of mixed number. So mixed number. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to add and subtract mixed numbers. There are two different methods that can be used when subtracting or adding mixed number. The first method is add the two whole numbers or subtract the two whole numbers, then solve the fraction. The second method is changing the mixed numbers to improper fraction before solving. But in this lesson, I'm going to use the first method. So let's take a look at example 1. The question says, work out two whole number 1 out of 5 plus 1 whole number 1 out of 7. Solution. In this question, the first thing I'm going to do, I have solution. I have 2 whole number 1 out of 5 plus 1 whole number 1 out of 7. The first thing I'm going to do is add the whole numbers. That is 2 plus 1. Then simplify the fraction. The LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Of course, the next thing is 35 divided by 5, that will be 7, then 7 times 1. Also, 35 divided by 7 is 5, then 5 times 1. Then 7 times 1 will give you 7, plus 5 times 1, that will give you 5. And finally, we have 2 plus 1, that will be 3. And 7 plus 5 will give us 12 out of 35. So this cannot be simplified any further. So the answer is 3 whole number, 12 out of 35. So that is it. Let's take a look at another example. Example 2. In example 2, the question says simplify four whole number. We have 4 whole number, 1 out of 3 minus 2 whole number, 3 out of 4. As usual, we're going to subtract solution. So we have 4 whole number, 1 out of 3 minus 2 whole number, 3 out of 4. We're going to subtract the whole number, that will be 4 minus 2. Then the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we have 12 here. Then we have 12 divided by 3, that will be 4, then 4 times 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3, then we have 3 times 3. So 4 times 1 will give us 4, then 3 times 3 will give us 9. So we have 4 minus 2, that will be 2. But we have a challenge. We can't actually subtract 9 from 4. That will give us a negative value. So let me write it here. 4 minus 9 out of 12. What are we going to do? We borrow 1 whole number from 2 whole, so we have 1 whole left. And the 1 whole represents 12, that is out of 12. So you add the 12 to 4, so we have 12 plus 4. So plus 4, then minus the 9. Everything out of 12. Don't forget it, one whole number represents out of 12 when you regroup it. So then you have one whole, 12 plus 4 will give you 16 out of 9. Then 16 minus 9 out of 12. Then one whole 16 minus 9 will give you 7 out of 12. So that is the final answer. So thank you very much for your time. You can go through the video again for proper understanding. So thank you very much for your time. Please do have a wonderful time until we meet again. Bye.